I rescue, repair these poor pieces of wood and get them working again. To them,
I'm the Resurrectionist.
Ahoy hoy, welcome to the Resurrectionist. This week it's an Encore acoustic, or rather it's an electroacoustic. Now, what do we know about this when I was looking to pick it up? We're missing a string. Okay. Are we missing, if we're missing a string, anything down the bottom end? No, luckily. How's the bridge look? Fine, nothing broken there. What about the rest of the guitar? The action looks a bit high. It's very dirty here. What's the fretboard look like? Fine. A few knocks on the side, but that's unsurprising. The name, Encore. As you know, it's a cheap import brand. John Hornby skewers. All the tuners are there. Everything's on the back. The nuts in one piece. So, that looks like a fine place to start. That's a good guitar. Because, the worst comes to the worst, we can just put another string on there after giving it a clean up. And I think that's all that needs doing on this Resurrection. Right, off to the garage. What we have here is an Encore acoustic, EA 255. Electroacoustic, one presumes that EA stands for. So the work I had to do on this was clean it up a lot because it was covered in horribleness. I meant to give it another clean with Mr Sheen afterwards because I've been doing a lot of poking around and picking out bits of whatnot all on this. I had to change all the bridge pins and the bridge. I've cleaned and fed the fretboard and the bridge, which makes it all look a lot nicer now. It is, as you know, an entry-level cheap acoustic. And, well, what does it sound like? Doesn't sound bad, does it? Might even use a plectrum. Now I had to straighten the neck out on this, and the action's still a little bit high. I may No, a beginner's guitar, I think anybody who's been playing for a while will agree. Beginner's guitar needs to have a little bit of action to it, acoustics especially, to bed your fingers in. If I started off with guitars as good as I'm sort of making and playing now, when I was 15, I'd be terrible at the guitar. Anyway, let's see if the electric bit works. What do we got here? Volume. Well, that works. Let's put the chorus on it. Well, as you can hear, and you've seen from me having to turn the volume up, this isn't a powered electroacoustic. It's just a passive pickup in there, so it does need a bit of extra amplification, and with that of course the EQ isn't particularly delicate. Beginner's guitar, fantastic. That's an excellent save from the tip, I think. What to sell it for though? I think if I said £50 for that, that would be an excellent deal for somebody. It certainly cost me a set of strings and a lot of time, but that's worth it. Excellent. One £50 guitar saved. Until next time, subscribe here. More videos there, and here come some cats. Toodle pip.